What's going on with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Vexzy. So this video is gonna be pretty quick and straight to the point. As you can see from the title of the video. So I was editing and I realized that the clips were messed up. So basically this is me breaking down how to make 100K per year and showing you it's not as hard as you think. As always, I have everything written down how to make $100,000 per year. So 100K per year, right? So most people that sounds like a lot of money. I mean, to me, I'm definitely not making anywhere near that. So for me, that would be a lot of money. So when you first think of a year, how many months are in a year? 12, right? So if you do 100,000 divided by 12 months, you would get $8,333 a month. So you would need to make $8,333 a month to get $100,000 in a year. Okay, that still sounds like a good chunk of change. So let's break it down a little more. How many weeks are in a month? About 4.5, give or take. So now you take that 8,333 a month, divide that by 4, I put 4.3, and that will give you $1,937 a week. So for you to make $100,000 in a year, you will need to make close to 2 bands in a week. Sounds a little more doable, right? Let's break it down even more. So if you take the specific number, 1,937, and divide that by 7 days in a week, you will get $276.71 a day. So for you to make $100,000 a year, you will need to make $276.71 every single day. When you break it down like that, bro, it's not that hard. A lot of people don't even make $100,000. I think $100,000 a year is like probably top 10% earners in the United States or something. But a lot of people, listen, this mental math took me like 5 minutes to do. And when you really think about it, if I tell somebody $276.71 they need to make a day to be a top 10% earner, at least in the United States, that's pretty easy. You can offer a service that's $300 and do it in a day. You can sell a $50 product like 6 times and you get $300 in a day. But when you break it down, and that's one thing I noticed, when you break down a lot of these things that sound difficult, it's really not as hard as you actually think it is. So with that being said, that is how you make $100,000 a year. That's basically the math. But that's basically it. Damn. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram in the description. Follow my TikTok in the description. And I'm out of here, bro.